Hello, this video is going to be about finding answers to percent questions. There are three types of questions: finding percent, finding part, and finding whole. I'm going to be focusing on one method for finding percent, one method for finding part, and one method for finding whole. There are other methods. I don't want to say that this is exclusive. I just wanted to simplify by teaching one method at a time. Okay. Step one, finding percent. Okay. There are many ways to find percent, but I'll focus on just one of them. You write your fraction, multiply it by 100, finished. Here is an example. In a third cookie box, there are 40 total cookies. 8 of them are mint chocolate chip. Let's write the fraction. 8 over 40. 8 cookies out of 40, 8 over 40. Times 100 to turn it into a percent. So you do 8 divided by 40 times 100, and you get 20. So the answer is 20%. Any questions? Ask your teacher. Easy enough. Let's move on to some examples. All right. There are now 6 different examples, 2 on this page, 2 on the next, and 2 on the next. Pause the video if you want to try them on your own. Okay, now you're back. So, 14 out of 40 times 100. 14 divided by 40 times 100, 35, and the answer is 35%. 84 out of 80. This is 84 out of 80 because the goal is 80 and goal is always the 100%, goal is always the whole. Times 100. 84 divided by 80 times 100 is 105, so it is 105%. They won more than they had planned. It has to be more than 100%. There are 150 children, 120 are going, so that's 120 out of 150 times 100. 120 divided by 150 times 100 is equal to 80, so it is 80%. There are 40 mangoes, out of which 8 are rotten. That is 8 out of 40 times 100. 8 divided by 40 times 100 is 20, so that is 20%. 18 players on the offensive unit, 45 total players, 18 out of 45 times 100. 18 divided by 45 times 100 is 40%. 60 blue marbles, 80 total marbles, 60 out of 80 times 100. 60 divided by 80 times 100 is 75%. Okay, that was finding percent. Now we're going to find part. So, write the percent over 100, multiply it by the whole, finished. Here's this one, it's 10%, so we do 10 over 100 because percents are always out of 100, times 50. 10 divided by 100 times 50 is 5, so this is 5%. There are 5 oatmeal raisin cookies. It is not 5% because it's 10%. It's asking how many cookies, so how many are cookies? 5 are cookies. Okay? Again, there are 6 questions to answer. If you want to do them on your own, pause the video, start it up when you are ready. Okay, you're back. 55%, 55 over 100 times 140. 55 divided by 100 times 140, 77. 77 students got on the honor roll. 30%, 30 out of 100 times 240. 30 divided by 100 times 240 is 72. He got a hit 72 times out of 100. All right, next page. 40%, 40 over 100 times 180. 40 divided by 100 times 180 is 72. 72 students are going on the trip. 8%, 8 out of 100 times 275. 8 divided by 100 times 275 is 22. 22 apples are rotten. Okay, next page. 135%, 135 over 100 times 60. 135 divided by 100 times 60 is 81. 81 days is how long she lasted. 150%, 150 over 100 times 18. 150 divided by 100 times 18 is 27. 27 kilometers is how far she ran. Okay. Third type, finding whole. This is backwards. Before, we put the percent over 100. Since this is backwards, we're going to put the 100 on top of the percent and then multiply by the part. Here is an example. It's 25%, but we want the 8 is the part. So here is the whole cookie box. There's 8 in here, 8 in here, 8 in here, 8 in here. So there's 32 total. But how do we get that it's 8 times 4? Well, we do 100 divided by 25. We know that's 4 times 8. 100 divided by 25 times 8 is 32. Therefore, there are 32 cookies in the whole box. Again, there are some practice questions. If you want to do them on your own, pause the video right now. Okay, you've returned. So 40%, 100 over 40 times 34. 100 divided by 40 times 34 is 85. 85 students total. 80%, 100 over 80 times 16. 100 divided by 80 times 16 is 20. 20 free throws. Okay, next page. 12%, 100 over 12 times 9. 100 divided by 12 times 9 is 75. 75 cars in the whole parking lot. 6%, 100 over 6 times 18. 100 divided by 6 times 18 is 300. So it is 300 crepes in total. Last page, 125%, so 100 over 125 times 40. 100 divided by 125 times 40, 32. So the goal was 32 kilometers. We knew that they did more than 100%, so therefore the goal had to be less than 40. Okay, 230. So 100 divided by 230 times 1288. Again, this is the 230%. We know that the goal had to be less than 1,280. 100 divided by 230 times 1288 is 560. So their goal was $560. And that's the whole idea. If you have any other questions, please ask your teacher about it. Bye.